Early Sunday morning, the woman them go at the tomb with the spice where them did look bout. Them find the stone roll away from front of the tomb. Them go in there, but them not find Jesus' body. Same time when them a wonder what two man in a clothes were bright like a light come turn upside of them. The woman them heart reach at them mouth and them hang down them head, cause them so frightened. But the man them said to them say, what make you no look for the one where I live amongst the one them we dead? Him not there. Him come back alive. Remember why him did tell you when him did monks in a Galilee? Them a go take the man we God pick, give wicked people, we a go kill him on the cross, but him a go come back alive 3 days later. The same day, two of Jesus' followers them did a go to one district named Emmaus, about 7 miles from Jerusalem. Them did a chat about everything what happened. Same time them a chat and all a argue with them one another. Jesus come up and start walk with them, but them couldn't pick up say him. Jesus asked them say, what no I talk about? Them tap walk, them face sad. The one named Cleopas said to Jesus say, them said to him say, oh Jesus from Nazareth, him did see and do some powerful sitting you see, we show all the people them say, him a one of God prophet them. The chief priest them and we ruler them, and him over so them could have kill him, and them nail him up on one cross. But we did a hope say, him a did the one for free Israel. Now 3 days since all of this happened. But not only that, some of the women them we follow Jesus like we, shock we. Them go at the tomb early this morning, but them not find the body. Them come tell we say them see angel, we tell them say Jesus alive. Some of the man them go and find the tomb open and empty, just like how the woman them did say. Jesus said to them say, oh no fool so. You know heart so tough. You no want to believe all of what the prophet them say. You no know say the Christ, the one where God anoint, after suffer them sitting there before God make him come back alive and take him up in heaven to sit down on him right side. Jesus explained to them all of the sitting them where did write down about him. From what Moses did say to all of what the other prophet them did say. When them reach near the district where them a go, Jesus go on like same did I go further. But them beg him, look, the day almost done and night a come, so stand with we. So Jesus stand with them. Him sit down at the table with them. Jesus take bread, give thanks, broke it and give them. Then them pick up say Jesus are the man them did a talk to. But same time, perhaps him disappear. Them ask them one another, we never feel sitting up bubbling in our heart when him did a chat with we on the road and I explain to we what God would say. Them get up and go back at Jerusalem same time and them find the 11 and them where did I gather with them and say, ah true, the Lord come back alive and make Simon see him. Then them tell them what happened on the road to Emmaus, and now when Jesus had broke the bread give them pick up say him. Same time them a chat about all of this, Jesus himself turn up with them and say, God give no peace in our heart. Him follower them frightened cause them think them a see one dopey. Jesus said to them say, what make you no frighten? What make you no believe? Look for me and I foot them. And me, touch me and see. Dopey no have skin and bone like me. After Jesus said this, him show them me and I foot them. Them glad so till them couldn't believe what them a see. So him asked them say, you don't have nothing for it. Them give him a piece of roast fish and Jesus take it and yam it in front of them. Jesus tell them say, when me did them monks me tell you about all of them sitting here. Me tell you say everything we write about me in a Moses law what the prophet them say and where in the Psalms too did have to come true. Then Jesus open up their mind and make them understand what God would say. Jesus lead them go to Bethany. Him lift up him hand and bless them. Same time Jesus a bless them, him get take up in heaven and him left them. After the father of them praise Jesus, them go back to Jerusalem happy so tell, and them ever in the temple a praise God.
ጠላት በዝቶ ስንሰቃይ ታገልክልን